In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell jewelry on Shopify 5 minutes. We'll walk through creating a clean conversion ready product listing so your pieces look their best and customers have everything they need to buy with confidence. Keep your product details handy, like materials, sizes, and great photos, and we'll move step by step. First, go to Shopify and sign into your store. You'll land on the admin dashboard. From here, you manage everything that appears on your storefront. Think of this as your control center for products, pricing, and how items are presented to shoppers. Next, click on products in the left-hand menu. This is where your full catalog lives. If you're building a collection of rings, necklaces, or bracelets, it helps to keep consistent naming, styles, and details so customers can browse smoothly. Click Add Product to open a fresh product page. This is your canvas. You'll see fields for the basics, title, description, media, pricing, plus options you can return to later if you want to fine-tune. Start with the title. Be clear and specific so someone can understand the piece in a glance. Including material, style, and key features works well, like sterling silver hoop earrings or 14K gold-plated pendant necklace. Clarity here helps with both search and customer confidence. Now add your description. Tell a concise story that covers materials, finish, size or length, clasp or closure type, and any care instructions. Address common questions. Is it hypoallergenic? Is it tarnish resistant? Note the weight or thickness if it affects comfort. Aim for short, scannable sentences and keep your tone consistent with your brand. If the piece is handmade or limited, say so to highlight value. Add photos, use well-lit images on a clean background, plus a few lifestyle shots if you have them. Show close-ups of texture, the clasp, and a scale reference to set expectations. Name your main image thoughtfully and add alt text that describes the piece plainly. This helps accessibility and search. Crisp, high-resolution images make a big difference for jewelry. Enter your price, set a number that reflects your costs and desired margin. If you're running a promotion, use the compare at price to show the original value. If the cost field is available, fill it in to track margins accurately on reports. Finally, click Save. Double check that the product status is active and it's available on your online store so customers can see it. Preview the page to confirm the title, description, images, and price look right, and you're ready to sell. Repeat the process for each piece, keeping your details consistent for a professional, trustworthy storefront.